What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at the headquarters. I kind of wanted to show you my latest layout and my design on my prints with the stairs, and kind of show you what I'm doing. And this is a personal design of mine, and I wanted something that could be optional for RVs, larger homes, trailers. Everybody got something different that they like. So I wanted to be able to have a product that I actually own that we can be able to tailor made to the person's desires. So the railing, the tubes, this can get painted whatever color your trailer, RV, or whatever it is. And then the wood can be stained, whatever desire. So you can switch it up. And that's a good thing about it. And this goes back to what I was talking about making money in your sleep. Once you invest the right funds into your design, into getting things off the ground, and you put it out there, that's when the opportunity starts presenting itself to make money while you're sleeping. Where you can wake up and have a sale, you can wake up and sell a fruit. You can, there's many options, but you have to plant the seed first. I have to plant the seed first. You know, I'm up now. It's before 3 o'clock, getting things together to make a move. So we have to put the time in. We have to be able to be willing to go to bed early, so that way we can wake up early to have more time in the day to actually get our hog on. And like I say, I like to lead by example, so I like to show you what I got going on, how I try to line things out professional. Um, it's all possible. Like I say, you just have to prepare yourself and start working on it. If you don't never work on your idea, you don't never tweak it and get it from the right person, how you gonna take it to the next level? So instead of watching what someone else do, you know, start paying more attention in your life during this quarantine, during this downtime, so to speak, in America. What do you really have to offer and provide it, because it's in you. You just got to bring it out. Stop procrastinating. Make it happen. If you don't do it, it ain't going to be done. Hold on.